Yo, that devil 3AH Media. Look, not financial advice, but while the whole market takes a crash landing meteor tumble, y'all better do your own research and look at drip. Now, you can see from my last video right here, December 15th, 2021, I had 13.6 drip, which was right at $1,000 investment, like right at it. And then my max payout was 49.7 drip. I had no team members, hadn't claimed anything, hadn't been rewarded anything. And now here we are. It is January 31st. I have 199 drip, and yes, I invested more after the initial 1,000, but my max payout went from 49 to 728 in a little over a month, about a month and a half. I have 3 team members, but 2 of those team members, I started a wallet for each of my kids to set them up. As long as the protocol lasts, I'm going to build them up something. I didn't even put much in there. There's maybe 1 drip back when it was $65. I think it was 1.5 drip because I put in a little over $65, about $100. But come on, man! Like, this protocol is going to be around. It's been around for 9 months so far, or right at 9 months, and all the tokenomics look good. Everything looks good, and they're about to launch. The reason why, actually, this drip total deposit was actually up to $36,000 because the price of drip here went all the way up, almost touched 200. And the reason why it's dropped, everybody's fudding the market. The reason why it's dropped is they're dropping, Forex is dropping the animal farm this week. And it's been pushed back to Thursday now. It was supposed to launch last Thursday, but then they wanted the audits to be right with Paladin and the other audit place. And then they decided to push it back again because they changed one of the taxes on the pigs, and it's the same exact taxes that's on the dogs, but they wanted to get it sub-audited. And so Thursday is the launch. And it's the first time that regular people like me and you can be an owner in a platform, like a partial owner in a platform that's paid out all these billions to these other people that have owned their platforms. So, again, not financial advice, but you might want to get on here. December 15th, 13.6 drip right at $1,000. January 31st, $25,000. And yes, I did invest a little more, but the price went from $65 at that time to now. I mean, it went up to 200, but it's back down to 125. So I already doubled my investment there, just from that, just from the price appreciation. So, get in while it's still early. Get in while the token's down, because of the people are buying the BUSD for the animal farm. Go ahead and get in while it's down, because it's gonna go back up to 200 or higher. All projections point to $1,000 drip. So be early. If not, I'll be back here in another month or two telling you I told you so. So let's get it. Buddy code down here. You have to have a buddy code. It's not like you don't have to use my buddy code. You can use anybody's. You can go get Stunna Breezy's or whoever. But the more people on a team, the less likely you're gonna get an airdrop because they pick random people. And on a smaller team, they pick, you know, they tend to pick, if there's only 15 people on the team, they tend to pick all 15 people to get an airdrop. So here we go. I'm telling you now, next month I'll be here telling you I told you so. So let's do it. That Devil 3AH Media. Do your own research, not financial advice.